We now determine the number of solutions for the given equations, given that theta lies between 0 and 180 degree. So for this, I'm going to use this quadrant diagram. So let's understand this quadrant diagram. So here we have four quadrants, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So in the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratio are positive. In the second quadrant, there's a sine trigonometric ratio as well as its reciprocal trigonometric ratio, that is cosecant theta. This is also positive. And in the third quadrant, tan theta is positive, as well as the cotangent is also positive. And finally, in the fourth quadrant, cos theta and its reciprocal ratio, which is secant theta, is positive. So we are also given the theta lies between 0 and 180. So here I have marked this as like an arc, which means the theta is from 0 to 180 degree. So basically theta should lie between first and second quadrant. Now let's consider the equation 1, that is part A. Sine theta equals 0.857. Clearly sine theta is positive here, and this means it can lie either in quadrant 1 or in quadrant 2. So we say that this has two solutions. You can write down the number of solutions for this equation as 2. Now let's consider the other equation, that is sine theta equals minus 0.857, which means sine theta is negative. So first let's understand in which quadrant sine theta is negative. Clearly sine theta is negative in the quadrant 3 as well as in quadrant 4. However, if you look at the angle lies between 0 and 180 degree only. So there is no angle formed over here. So this means this equation has zero solutions. So this one has no solutions. And now let's do the other one, that is cos theta equals 0.857. So let's understand in which quadrant cos theta is positive. So cos theta is positive in quadrant 4 as well as in quadrant 1. Since theta is greater than 0 and 180 degree, only the first quadrant cos theta is positive. So we say that this equation has only one solution. And now let's do the last one, that is tangent of theta equals negative 0.857. So first let's understand in which quadrant the tangent theta is negative. Clearly tangent theta is negative in this quadrant, that is in quadrant 2 as well as in quadrant 4. So since theta lies between 0 and 180 degree, in this range we only have only one solution. So we see that this equation has only one solution.